Hi, today I'm going to show you how to set up Jellyfin on TrueNAS. So first, access the TrueNAS web UI. So simply log into your TrueNAS web interface, then in TrueNAS core, navigate to plugins and search for Jellyfin in the plugin list. Click install. After you do this, during installation, configure the plugin jail path and networking. Then configure storage. So map your media directories like movie, music, TV show to the Jellyfin plugin jail storage paths. Then start Jellyfin. So once installed, start the Jellyfin service from the plugin page and access Jellyfin web interface. So open a browser and navigate to this URL and follow the initial Jellyfin setup wizard. Now, setting up Jellyfin on TrueNAS scale, that is Docker container. In this way, you'll have to log into TrueNAS scale dashboard. Then go to the apps section, select apps, then choose launch Docker image or available application, then deploy Jellyfin container. So choose to deploy Jellyfin from the catalog if available or add it manually by specifying the image, configure storage mounts to your media datasets and set network and port. Then configure persistent storage, map Jellyfin config and cache directories to TrueNAS datasets and start the container by launching and accessing. Then access Jellyfin at this URL. So this flexible setup allows you to run Jellyfin seamlessly on TrueNAS, leveraging your storage for media serving. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.